everybody, hi, hello and welcome to my video library. This is Poonam from Paint and Clay Studio, and today I'm live in front of you all for the last video of the 7-day marathon. I can see so many people coming in. Hello everybody. Sorry for not replying to your messages, not taking your calls or giving the callbacks. I was a little not well. Said the same story last week also. It takes a little time to be normal, I guess. Am I audible to everybody? Please let me know if I'm audible to everybody. Oh wow, lovely. This is such a, oh wow, I can see a lot of people coming in. Today is the last day of my 7-day marathon. I am feeling good also. I am not feeling so good also because I'll be losing you guys. I won't get to meet you, but I'm sure you guys will be there in touch with me, and same here. I'll also try to be more regular to live videos, and I'll try to come as soon as possible. I'm not ready with the project for today, but yeah, I know what do I have to teach you guys today. I am also going to miss you guys. Lovely. अभी मैं नाम लेने बैठूं तो पता नहीं कितने सारे लोग हैं जिनको मैं पहली बार देख रही हूँ आज, और बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो हर बार जुड़ते हैं, हर बार आते हैं. Okay guys, can you tell me where are you watching me from, which place? Let's just make it a little more fun activity. Let more people join in. By the time you just write down in the comment section where are you watching me from. Hi. Hello. Guys, where are you watching me from? I need to know. Chirpy. Thank you, Rachna ji. Punjab. I can see somebody from Doha, somebody from Qatar, somebody from Jodhpur. Madhvi ji is from Jodhpur. Wow, lovely. I kind of like it. Bangalore, Bareilly. Oh wow, I am reaching so many people, so many places. Pune, Malaysia, Ahmedabad. So many places, guys. I'm so happy. Haryana, अरे वाह. Kolar. I'm so happy that I'm reaching to these all places. Taiwan, Muscat, so many places. I'm so happy. Yay, welcome all of you. Welcome. Everybody, a warm welcome from Poonam. And I wish you a very happy crafting month. This month was a crafting month for me. I have not created these kind of big projects, I don't remember in near future, in near past, when have I sat for so long and I have created these kind of projects. So I'm almost done with my flower, and I'm going to teach you something very different today. It is a magnet only, but it'll be a different magnet. This is the cute cutie flower which I have done. and we'll do something more exciting to this in the video today. Oh, you guys are still writing. I'm so happy. Watching from UK. Lovely. Everybody watching all over the thank you so much. Thanks a lot for being there with me. Thank you so much for being there in touch with me in ups and downs and thicks and thin. It's really nice to think about about something that people are there watching and waiting for you. It's so nice. Crafting month too. Yeah, it was a crafting month. So guys, as we are having the last day of our 7-day marathon, it was fabulous. It was amazing. And I had no clue that I'll enjoy so much with you guys. So as today is the last day, I thought I'll just end up on a very happy, cute, beautiful note that this little floral magnet tutorial, I'll add a little surprise on it, but as I told you, I'm not ready with today's project. I'll show you what are we going to make at the video session, like on in the tutorial itself. But this is the flower. See how cute this flower is. Anyways, so we will be making something on this flower, which is the surprise. Masters in Craft. Thank you. So as today is the last day of our 7-day marathon, I thought I will make something very interesting and very sweet, so that you could, we'll just end up this marathon on a very happy note. So I'm already set with my thoughts, whatever I thought for you for today's class, but I'll just repeat one time, and I'll apologize also because I am out of stock of materials. I don't have materials for bamboo bonsai and coconut bonsai. It's not that I'm not running out of clay. I have the clay, but the cutters are out of stock, so I would not be able to give you the material kits, but still the discounts are still going on. If somebody wants to enroll for the courses are on discount. It's there in my catalog, and there are 4 courses which are on discount. One is the mason jar, the second one is the animals, the third one is the bamboo, and the fourth one is coconut. So 4 courses on discount right now. Is the hairpin made by you? Yeah, you can see that, right? I just thought that I'll just add a little something. Abhi ye sab. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So anyways, so coming back to the discounts are valid till tomorrow only. After that, it will be on the same price, on the same price, and the fee will be revised to the old fee, and then you will not be able to avail the discount offers. But the material kits for all the 4 courses are over now. I don't have mason jar, so I won't be able to give you the mason jar kits, and I'm out of cutter stock for coconut and bamboo, so I would not be able to give you that. But the tutorials are there. You can take the tutorials, you can do as other people has done. So the tutorials are still on discount, so that also happens once in a while only. I don't give my tutorial discounts on my tutorials. So yeah, so you can avail the discounts. Please don't ask me for discounts, the same prices, why the prices are so high and why the prices are changed now. Earlier it was this much and now it is this much. So either you be there on my WhatsApp where I keep on updating the status, don't miss it, or else let me add you in the broadcast list. I keep updating it on the broadcast list as well, so you can be there in touch with me, so that we could mode of payment of clay purchase. Gajalakshmi, you can contact me on WhatsApp. I will share all the details with you. I never disclose my prices online, so guys, please don't ask me prices. I have created a catalog. I also want to go step by step with people. I got an overwhelming response from you guys. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबके responses देखकर. It was so overwhelming. I'm so thankful to everybody of you, each one of you, that who took out time from their schedules, and they messaged me, they're in touch with me, and they're learning from me. But I would mention one thing, that people who I have shared the catalogs with, the catalogs are for your benefit only and to make my work a little easy, you know, because catalog में सब prices mentioned है, discounts mentioned है, everything is mentioned over there only. The only thing which I can't mention over there is the delivery charges, which is hardly 100 to 150 depend on the order and the area where you're staying. वो उस पर डिपेंड करता है. तो खाली आपको डिस्काउंट उसमें मैं ऐड करके अपने व्हाट्सएप पे बताऊंगी. अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज देयर in the broadcast list. Please like the way you shop on Amazon, just keep adding whatever you want into the cart and you'll get a final total amount, and then you just proceed. Don't pay there on the catalog, because I have not linked my payment option over there. That you have to pay me separately only. That's the only thing I want to say. So before asking me, just एक बार ना वो कैटलॉग के दर्शन करके आओ. क्या आपको चाहिए, आपके आधे से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस वहीं पे सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. यू डोंट नीड टू आस्क मी ओनली, यू नो. एंड समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स कि आप मुझसे कुछ पूछ रहे हो एंड आई एम नॉट देयर, आई एम बिजी इन माई वर्क, और आई जस्ट, यू नो, Clay, oh thank you Swapnil, she's my sweetheart. She's answering all the messages. I'm so thankful to you guys. So हाँ, अगर आपको कुछ भी मुझसे परचेज करना हो, किसी कोर्स के बारे में डिटेल चाहिए हो, उसका प्राइस पता करना हो, क्या डिस्काउंट चल रहा है वो पता करना हो, कुछ भी पता करना हो, इट्स एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन्ड इन माय ट्यूटोरियल्स. अपार्ट फ्रॉम क्ले मेकिंग रेसिपी, एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन्ड इन द ट्यूटोरियल्स. आप वहाँ पर जाइए, वहाँ पे पता कीजिए और फिर आप मेरे पास आइए. आपको मुझसे शायद पूछने की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े. वहाँ 4 दिन मेहनत करके मैंने कैटलॉग इसीलिए बनाया था, सो दैट आई डोंट हैव टू, you know, you don't have to wait for my answer, or you don't have to wait for your query to be answered. So you can get your answers from the catalog itself. So please visit my catalog. Not every time it is possible for me to, you know, point out each person one by one कि आज ये है, आज वो है, आज ये है. That becomes very difficult for me. So please try to put yourself into my shoes and just analyze how much am I I'm actually, you know, I'm it's, I don't know, I should not be cribbing about it. I'm not cribbing. I'm very happy that I'm so such overwhelming response I've got this time, and I'll make sure that I keep coming every month, every now and then for the tutorials and you know, to meet you guys. So yeah, great. So without wasting any time, let's just remind you about one more thing I decided for, which is the contest. Now I want to, अब पता नहीं लोग इसको शायद धमकी ले ले, बट ले लो. इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे, हज़ारों स्टूडेंट्स हैं, thousands of students are there, कोई पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे. मुझे बहुत दुख लग रहा है. There are over 100 people in the group and there are very few people who are participating. So guys, अब आप इसको कैसे भी ले लो, आप इसको धमकी समझ लो आप इसको अल्टीमेटम समझ लो, whatever you think. आई वुड से कि जो भी मेरे पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सबको कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करना है. अदरवाइज मैं आगे आपको कोई ट्यूटोरियल नहीं दूंगी. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट ट्यूटोरियल्स फ्रॉम मी. यू हैव टू डू इट. डोंट गिव मी कंडीशंस कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है. ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है किसी के साथ. Everybody is fit and fine and the tutorials are very nice and you guys are my old students. So this is a ultimatum for those students who have already done courses with me. They know how to do the clay. So guys, you have to participate in the contest, or else don't expect the tutorials from me. I will not give further tutorials to you guys. किसी का कोई comment नहीं आ रहा. Okay fine, it's okay. So ये एक बात मुझे कहना था कि सबको participate करना है, और we'll upload all together. You upload all together, you upload single one by one, doesn't matter. You have time till 30th of July. It's like 15 days from now. It's enough time for everybody, each one of you. If you sit for one day, one project, then also it will get over in 7 days. So it's not a huge thing for you all. Materials chahiye to you just let me know. I'll give you all the materials. But whomsoever is not participating in the tutorials, I am not going to give any of the tutorials in future. So you just think about it and let me know. We will participate. You have to participate. So fine, ये तो बंदूक की नोक पे सबको मैं participate करवा रही हूँ. But this is what I'm coming here for the first time. This is my first ever art marathon. If you guys are actually willing to support me, please participate in the tutorials, in the contest. So yeah, आज तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं. Wow. So guys, yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's just do the class today. Materials are perfect. It's so good to do the clay work. Thank you, Nalini. Great. So I'll just put my phone on the stand and then we'll start with today's project. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Guys, you please keep me posted whether you could see here or everything is okay or not. I want to be clear. Just a moment, I'll just figure this out, post it, and it's a little bit of extra work, but what to do, करना तो है, काम तो हमारा ही है, तो just a moment. मुझे तो ये गैजेट समझ ही नहीं आते सच में. Guys, you can see, right? Please let me know if you have any issues. I'll just this is so irritating. आज ये क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Everybody can see, right? Guys, you can see, right? Yes. Can't hear? Oh, okay. Now can you hear? Everybody loud and clear? I need some thumbs ups. Yes, Nalini has said yes. I will go with Nalini. And now we'll proceed with our work. So as you saw, I have made this cute little flower which is not yet dried completely. I will be putting a magnet at the back. I'll tell you what have I done. Let's start. I have taken white clay. White clay लिया है मैंने और मैंने उसको छोटे छोटे pieces में divide कर लिया है. Now to be very precise, I'll tell you how big is one ball. This is around a centimeter. 1 centimeter बड़ा बॉल है. आपको ऐसे 5 या 6 बॉल्स लेने हैं. अब मैं वाइट फ्लावर बना रही हूँ तो वाइट क्ले मैंने यूज़ किया है. आप चाहें तो कोई भी कलर का फ्लावर आप बना सकते हो. यू कैन वर्क विद एनी कलर्ड क्ले. फ्लावर कुड बी ऑफ एनी कलर. अब मुझे ये बॉल को टीयर ड्रॉप शेप में बनाना है, लाइक दिस. एंड नाउ आई हैव टू प्रेस इट. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. ओके, पूरा बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से प्रेस नहीं करना है, हल्के हाथ से. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक द टीयर ड्रॉप एंड जस्ट softly you have to press it. That's what you have to do with all the 5 petals. अगर आपको टॉप फैन बैच में पार्टिसिपेट करना है कॉन्टेस्ट में, तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे वीडियो को शेयर करेंगे और कमेंट करेंगे तो ही आपको टॉप फैन बैच मिलेगा. अदरवाइज़ मेरा उसमें कोई योगदान नहीं है, वो सब फेसबुक डिसाइड करता है. और हाँ, एक और चीज़ आपका ध्यान रखना है कि जब आप प्रेस करेंगे तो आपको उंगलियों से या अंगूठे से प्रेस नहीं करना है, आपको अपना हथेली से प्रेस करना है. आई विल टेल यू अगेन. सो टू टेक लाइक दिस, मेक अ टीयर ड्रॉप. डोंट प्रेस इट विद द थंब और द फिंगर. ओके, यूज योर कुशन पार्ट ऑफ योर हैंड एंड जस्ट गिव इट अ स्लाइट प्रेस. जस्ट दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. लाइक दैट 5 to 6 petals you have to make. 6 looks fuller, 5 में थोड़ा गैप होता है. So it's advisable that you make fuller petals. भरा पूरा. ये आपके petals बन गए. Now we'll be making the center. This is the center फ्लावर का सेंटर है ये। अभी हमें ये बनाना है, फॉर विच आई विल हैव टू टेक सम येलो क्ले। ओके, दिस इज़ येलो क्ले। ये भी अराउंड 1 इंच आप ले लीजिए, वो थोड़ा मोटा मोटा हम बना रहे हैं ना, तो सब कुछ वी विल बी नीडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ क्ले। सो दिस इज़ द येलो क्ले। I will be making a round ball और बस मुझे इसको ऊपर से प्रेस करना है। You remember the first flower which we made? सेंटर उसका मैंने बोला था बना के आपको ड्राई करना है। सेम थिंग यू हैव टू डू हियर ऑल्सो। नाउ बिकॉज द सेंटर इज़ टू बिग, आई वुड टेक द ब्रश, और अदरवाइज अगर आपके पास ये ब्रश नहीं है, you can just simply take a toothpick or a wire and you can just create some dots. But make sure that the dots are nearby, पास पास हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है, अच्छा लगेगा देखने में। That's it. And now you have to let it, dry. Just press it from the top. Press it from the top so that, you have a flatter base also. It's easy for you to work. Now I'll take my glue and I will start sticking all these petals to the center. Like this, I will just add it here. The same way I have to add all the 6 petals. एक दूसरे से touch करके. All the petals should touch each other. Slightly. Don't overuse the glue. कभी कभी हम glue ज़्यादा use कर लेते हैं. It looks very bad when the glue dries. So make sure that you use very less glue, optimum, to stick that petal to the flower. Center. Like this, 6 petals are done. थोड़ा ऊपर है, थोड़ा नीचे है. देखिए गलतियाँ सबसे होती हैं. ये बड़े हैं, ये छोटे हैं. Doesn't matter. We don't care. We just have to press it and bind them together. When we press it from the sides, of course, आपका ये flower settle हो जाएगा. Now you can see I have lost all the marks. I will redo the marks here. I will just take the tool and I will redo the marks. That's it. आप ये बनाने के बाद लास्ट में भी कर सकते हैं, but try to finish off your work as much as possible whenever you are handling it. हम अगर ये सेंटर ड्राई करके रखेंगे, it will become very easy for us to make and stick the flower petals the next day. So always advisable to make the flower center one day, and the next day you should make the petals, as I have said in the first video also. Now I'll take my knife tool and I have to create some lines. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. ओके अभी मैं एक लाइन यहाँ से भी डाल दूँगी. इट्स कम्प्लीटली योर विश. लाइक दिस, जस्ट आउटसाइड से इनसाइड ऐसे यू टू जस्ट ब्रिंग इट इन बिटवीन दीज 2 लाइन्स और टचिंग दीज 2 लाइन्स. ऐसा कुछ पर्टिकुलर हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है. ओके, द फ्लावर इज रेडी. जस्ट लेट मी नो हाउ द फ्लावर लुक्स. Isn't it gorgeous and so simple? So this is done. Now it's time for the surprise. I'm taking some red clay. Around this much. And I'll be taking some black clay. Can somebody tell me what am I gonna make? Any ideas, guys? Any ideas? Come on. Nobody has any ideas. That's really bad. Amazing, amazing, nice. I know it's nice. Any ideas? What am I going to make now? So beautiful. Okay, no problem. Okay, no ideas. I'll tell you ideas. We are going to make a cute little beautiful ladybug. Yay, ladybug. Okay, so for the ladybug, we'll be taking some red clay and now you're giving me ideas. Okay, so this is the red clay. I'm just gonna make it in a cylindrical shape like this, and I have to press it down like this. Okay, ये बन गया. Now you have to make some lines. I'll take my black clay, roll it into very thin string, very very thin but even. See how even? Never use your fingers to do it. Always use your palm. Little bit here and there is fine, but never use your fingers. Fingers में gap होता है. The line will never come straight, you know, like this. If you roll by fingers, you'll be having these kind of up and down marks. So it's always advisable to use your palm to make or do the lines. ये आपने string अपना ready कर लिया. Now I'll take my glue. Whenever I'm doing anything intricate, I always prefer to take out the glue somewhere and then start working on it. So I always prefer to work on my hand like that. Now I'll take the glue and I will just mark the lines like this. Like this, and I will just take and press it. Okay, अभी मैं, where is the scissor? Oh God, yeah, just cut it here. Now I will make the bottom. Like this and like that. It doesn't look like a ladybug, right? It does look like a ladybug. Something is wrong. What is wrong here? I don't know what is wrong. Can somebody suggest me what have I done? This is the reason I keep a sample in front of me. Yeah, the ladybug has a black kind of face on the in the front. I think I have added this wrong line. I should not be adding this line like this. It should not be there. I have to redo the thing. I'm so sorry. Yeah, the dots are there, but I think I have to redo it, guys. I'm so sorry. I'll just redo it. थोड़ा color dark हो जाएगा, but doesn't matter. I'll do it. I completely forgot how to do it. Stress. Okay. Two horizontal lines. I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. Okay. So now again we're gonna do it. I'll make the body and this comes the face. So the face of the ladybug is separate, which we have to add like this. The face is like that. You know, we have to make a ladybug like this. We have to add a small little black teardrop for the face. Completely forgot about it. Okay. So this is the thing. This is the head of the ladybug and that's the body of the ladybug. And now it's time to make the pattern on her body, the lovely pattern. And now I am going to stick this black line over the body. I have to mark a line in the center like this. Okay, now we have to add it like that, the string. Okay, so this is done. The excess I'll just remove. होता है यार, कभी कभी स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, मैं भूल गई कैसे बनाते हैं. इट्स ओके, आई गॉट इट. Okay, now I'll add 4 dots. So 1 dot, cute little tiny dots you have to make. Okay, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 4 dots. And the same way you have to add 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. I'll just put it and press it. Guys, you can see, right? याद आ गया मुझे भाई. होता है कभी कभी. 4 dots are there. The cute little ladybug is ready. And now we have to add the white dots for the eye, and for which I'm not using white clay. I will be using my white color only if I get it in this life. Yes, I got it. Thank God. आज सब कुछ ही गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Oops. Oops. यही एक कमी थी बस. I'm so sorry. आज बहुत ही अजीब सा दिन है. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna add 2 dots for the eye. This is acrylic white color, and this is again acrylic white color, like that. If you want, you can add the antennas. If you want, you can do as much detail as you want. I'll show you one little cute thing also. I will be making a white cute flower on her head. So I'll take the white clay like this, and like that. देखिए कितना छोटा है ये. Now you just have to do one thing. You just have to press it and just create lines. 1, 2, and now just divide as many petals as you want from this flower. Just divide it like that. क्यूट सा एक फ्लावर आप बना सकते हैं, which looks really good. You just have to cut the petals. Like this, or else you can use a scissor, and you can just make a cute little flower cutting the petals. ऐसे जैसे मैं ये टूल्स को यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आप ऐसे करके सिजर से भी इसको कट कर सकते हैं. ऐसे करके कुछ भी, बस आपको एक फ्लावर बनाना है. आज तो पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. आज ना लाइट परफेक्ट है, ना मुझसे काम हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग टू मी टुडे. ओ गॉड, ओ माय गॉड. ओके, ये आपने क्यूट सा फ्लावर बना लिया एक. और अभी मैं इसको लेडी बग के सर पे कहीं पे ऐसे क्यूटली उसको फिट कर दूँगी. ओके, आप चाहें तो जो डिटेल देना चाहें आप दे सकते हैं. ऐसी कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि आपको ऐसे ही बनाना है. द वे यू वांट यू कैन जस्ट डू इट. बट इट्स अ लिटिल हार्ड वर्क टू डू, बिकॉज आपको बहुत पेशेंस रख के ये सारे छोटे 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 काम करने पड़ेंगे. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. सो our ladybug is ready, and I am just gonna take some glue and I will place it over the flower like that on a corner. अभी ये सब गीला है. I can't press it very hard, but yeah, it'll look something like this. So our ladybug is ready. If you want, you can add 2 leaves here or something like that. And यहाँ पर पीछे आप एक छोटा सा magnet लगा सकते हैं. And your cute little ladybug magnet is done. तो ये हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट था. क्विकी प्रोजेक्ट, वेरी वेरी फास्ट, जल्दी जल्दी ख़त्म भी हो गया, पता भी नहीं चला. और अब मैं आपको पहले दिन से लेके आज तक के सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स अब दिखाने वाली हूँ. ये हमारा डे 1 का प्रोजेक्ट था. This was the day 2 project. This was the day 3 project, the mushroom keychains. This was the day 3 project. Now this was the day 4 project. This was the day 5 project. और ये हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट. तो गाइज, अरे ये तो 6 ही हुए, एक और होना चाहिए ना. Where is the 7th day project? Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry. This is the day 3 project. Sorry. This is the day 4 project. देखो ज़रा, आज तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया है. So these are our 7-day marathon projects, which finally we have done, and I enjoyed it to the fullest. I just loved the idea of 7-day marathon. Though I think 7-day was a little much, because 7 days committed. That is the issue, or else it was not much. Craft के लिए तो जितना time हो उतना कम है. But I thoroughly enjoyed the entire time for the 7-day marathon project. I hope you guys have enjoyed it with me as much as I have enjoyed. So this brings to the end of our 7-day marathon, guys. And now I'll flip the cameras and I'll see the questions. Let me just get through the camera. लगाने में जितना प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, मुझे लगता है निकालने में उससे भी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स है. Yup. So this is done, and this is also done. Did you enjoy the project today? I'm so sorry for that glitch. I forgot the ladybug. Terrible. This is the ladybug. See, this is important. When you come for an online class or you teach something, you should have to, you should actually read, just do it before the class so that you know whatever you are doing is right or wrong. I'm so sorry for this. Thank you so much. I'm happy. आप लोग कितना बेचारे मेरे साथ हैंडल करते हो मुझे. Anyways, so today's class is over. I'm very happy to just do all these beautiful 7 projects with you. Let's take up the Instagram questions first. Let's see what people are saying there, and then we'll just take up the questions, sort the queries, and then we'll say bye. Chirpy, thank you. Shilpa ji is watching us today. Shilpa ji, she's an artist, and her page is Naba Nipa Artistry, and she's an amazing decoupage artist. So guys, if you're there in Bombay and if you want to order something handmade and beautiful decoupage products, just get in touch with her. She makes amazing aroma candles also. She's amazing. Hi. Now it's time to say bye. See, so many people. Thank you so much. Yes, it's a ladybug. Oh. Lovely. So I've taken it. Not such questions are there. I can't see any questions, guys. If you have any queries, any questions, just you're free to ask me anything. I can sort as much as I can. Please, another 2 minutes with you. You guys can ask me any questions. Let's take up the Facebook questions. Hello. I start with the hello. I should not actually, Good afternoon. Thank you. You guys are watching me from Anxious. Okay. I'll also miss you guys. Miss my live session. I will miss you more than what you guys miss me. In the video, we cannot feel this interaction. Yeah, I know, right? It happens. I know. So Divya watching me from Punjab, Madhvi from Jodhpur, Bhavana Panchal from Doha, Bareilly, Upma, Bangalore, Malaysia, Ahmedabad, Thane, Malur, Ahmedabad, Taiwan, Muscat, Punjab. So many people are there. I'm so happy. Chennai. Thank you. You're watching me from Hazel is watching me from UK. Lovely. Guys, I just love it. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on Instagram. Thanks a lot. I'll very well and very soon I will see you. By then you can just follow my YouTube and my Instagram channel. I have recently created a website. You can just go there and check out my website also. Very soon I'll be adding an online portal so that you could order your stuff from there. Thank you so much for being there with me. And thank you for joining me for the 7-day marathon. Do participate in the contest. I'll share the contest rules and the link here in the description box very soon. And take care of yourself, and bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. Instagram is done. It's quite difficult to do it at two places. Okay. So, your hairpin is made by you. Yes, it is. Beautiful hairpin. Thank you. Cutter blade available. Sandhya ji, the cutter blades are not available now. The stock is over. I had very, very, very limited stock, and unfortunately that's over. But I'm taking the bookings for that, and I will give you only on the bookings. I don't have extra pieces this time also. So whomsoever wants their slicer blades, you can just let me know. People who want to know what are slicer blades, I'll just explain it one more time. I thought of doing it today also, but couldn't. These are the slicer blades, and this is like one of a kind. You won't find these slicer blades anywhere. These are the slicer blades. You can see the detail. You can see the kind of blades I have along with the plain blade. Just see the kind of blades I have, and these are the slicer blades which are available. And you can order yours, you can book yours, and I will be taking only on booking. I'll get the stuff probably by mid of August, most probably. My consignment is due at that time, so probably mid of August, and I will be getting all my new cutter sets and slicer blades and a big stock of veiners and Polans and so many things coming in August. So guys, if you want to order, you can just book it so that I could secure it for you, because last moment entries or last moment buying will not be possible. I'm sorry. So if you want to book it, you can just log into the catalog and let me know. I will give you the details. So yeah, thoda dur karo camera se. Oh. Who is this Raja Kashyap? Please don't come to my videos, idiot. Okay. Lovely session. Thank you, Namrata. Any more questions if you want to ask me? I'm there to answer whatever. Sandhya ji, just connect with me on WhatsApp. No, I'll share all the details with you. How would I give you the catalog link here? It's not possible. Just now I told you I don't disclose my prices. Mode of payment for clay purchase. Gajalakshmi, connect me on WhatsApp. It's not that I'm answering here and I will not answer there. um, any more questions, guys? Any doubts, any queries? Crafting month, yeah, it was a huge crafting month. In fact, every month I create something different. I was just tracking down my history that I always create something different every month and I try to publish that course. Past June, I have not created anything in flowers and all, but yeah, these are the 7 projects which we have made together, so that's also an excitement, that's also in creation only. But I really liked the time which I spent this entire month. WhatsApp number I leave at the post, on the top of the post. You can just connect with me on WhatsApp with your names, guys. Please don't ask me I'm not a shopkeeper standing here with all the materials and you just ask me the price. 100 times I've told everybody, please have some dignity while calling me or messaging me. It really feels that I'm talking to walls. Whenever you are messaging me, a new person, a new person who's contacting me for the first time, please make sure that you mention your city's name and your name. Without that, I will not be answering the questions. I'm really sorry. I'm fed up of asking who is this, who am I talking to. It's like insane. Where to check the catalog? Sudha Iyer, you have to connect with me on WhatsApp for the catalog. You're so sweet, watching your video in high fever. Oh my god, Rashmi Thakur, I wish that you get well soon. I have a clay tutorial, a paid clay tutorial. My clay tutorial is not complimentary in any condition. So if you want to learn clay, you have to pay me separately. It's a separate paid tutorial, and that tutorial is linked with none of the courses, nowhere, never. So if you want to learn my clay tutorial, you have to connect with me separately. I'll share the details with you. Please, I'll add you to the broadcast list. Just send me a hi on WhatsApp. I'll share. Whomsoever wants to get in touch with me on the broadcast list, please send me a hi with your name on WhatsApp. And Nalini, so happy to see you. I'm also very happy to meet you online. Preeti Lata will share all the projects together. You're free to do anything you want to. Waiting for the last project, then upload. Lovely. Just avoid this ladybug glitch. God. Okay. Materials are perfect. It's so good to do the clay work. Thank you, Nalini. Thank you, guys. Marathon idea is superb. No, Madhvi? Yeah, I know. It's very nice, but I believe that 7-day marathon was quite a commitment. I think from now onwards, I have had a taste of 7-day marathon. I really enjoyed it, but I think it should be 2 or maximum 3 days marathon. It's like a little too much. Maybe I can divide it into 2 or 3 portions and I can come after every 15-20 days. That's what we can do. All clear. Thank you. So many hearts. Thank you, guys. So yeah, I would tell you one more thing, that if you want to do the bamboo bonsai, coconut bonsai, animals and mason jars, these 4 courses, the discounts are available till tomorrow night at 12. After that, whomsoever is coming, I won't be able to give you the discounted fee. Please don't transfer the amount. अभी ये कुछ नया चालू हुआ है that people transfer the amount and then they feel that अब तो देना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'll return the amount. So please connect. If you want to do the course, please get in touch with me. I'll share the details with you. I'm making it with you today, Anuradha. Lovely. Teach that leaf also placed on the table. What leaf? That is fern. Minakshi Sharma. That's a paid tutorial. If you want, you can get in touch with me. I'll share the details with you. सब कुछ तो नहीं सिखा सकते ना एक ही क्लास में. I'll try, but not possible. I have a paid tutorial for that. मैं सिर्फ वही चीज़ें सिखाती हूँ जिसका tutorial मेरे पास नहीं है. Okay. Yes, ladybug. Making a ladybug. Tips is really important. Yes, it is. Arlena is also watching me from Oman, Muscat, somewhere. It need the black dot, and yeah, I know. Shilpa, I'm so sorry, I forgot. I totally messed up the ladybug today. Yeah. Okay, so yes, I've taken most of the questions. Absolutely okay. Happens. Yeah, right? It happens with me. Sometimes when I'm out, it happens so many times. Varnish. I use my picture varnish. To do on small projects, I use picture varnish only. I'll show you. This is a normal varnish which you get on Amazon. That's the varnish which you can get on Amazon. That's a picture varnish. It's an water based one. So you can do it. इससे थोड़े टाइम के बाद हल्के cracks आने शुरू होते हैं. How do you have to do? I'll just show you. That's a little dried project which I made, and I'll just hold it in my hand a little away from me, and I will just should not do it, right? But कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे ही सीखी जाती है. Don't ever just be like let it close to. You should have a gap of at least 9 inch 10 inch का gap रख के फिर you have to just spray it from a distance and see. It's sealed now. Never do this. So yeah, that's the way you have to do the varnish. Never just bring it very close, उसके ऊपर रख के उसको मतलब ऐसे नहीं करना है. You have to keep it at a distance and just spray it at a distance. That's what you have to do, to spray the varnish and let it dry for some time, and it'll be dried and then you can keep it. So yeah, enjoy to the fullest. All projects are beautiful. Thank you. Lovely session. Thank you. We enjoyed as much as thank you guys. Thank you so much for such lovely comments, and thank you for being there with me all the time, getting inspired from your work. First time made clay at home. It turned out super amazing. I'm busy making all your projects. Thank you, Samina. Where are you watching me from, Samina? All the 7 projects are amazing. I know. It's so amazing. Queries as your awesome teacher. Thank you. Waiting for your new projects. Very soon I'm gonna come again. I have got this addiction of coming live and talking to you all guys. I think I will come very often. I will come live very often. Yeah, and I'm coming up with a paid tutorial of Rakhi's. Thank you so much, Swapnil. She knows I forget everything. So I'll be very soon coming up with a paid tutorial of Rakhi. I have not yet made the video so far, but yeah, I will be starting from this weekend onwards, and this I think I'll be launching it by the 25th of June. For that, I'll come live again and I'll show you all the products so that you could enroll yourself for the Rakhi and make clay Rakhis also the way we have done these beautiful clay projects, as easy and fast. And you know, by now everybody know how quick my projects are. I don't have that patience to sit for hours and hours and hours and do all this, you know. Come back to Mumbai. Sandra, I would die to come back to Mumbai. I can come Mumbai anytime. Slicer blade I want. Sandhya ji, you have to get in touch with me. Book it. I will give it to you whenever I have it in stock. Please tell us from where to find the paneer and peas videos. I will share all the 7-day tutorials link over this video, which I'm going to end in another 5 minutes. And then those links you just have to click, like day 1 video, day 2 video, day 3, day 7, like that. So you can find all the 7 videos there, and these videos are there for the very limited time. I will not be keeping it for very long. Hopefully by this month end I will finish all my videos and I'll just delete them. So please make the stuff and Learn clay. I have joined the course. It's too good. Connect to Poonam. Learn Lamasa. See, Lamasa clay and my clay is no different. My clay is also called as Lamasa clay only. But over the period of time, I have made a lot of rectifications in the plain recipe, which has given me that smoothness of just like Thai clay. Thai clay cannot be prepared at home, but Lamasa clay you can prepare at home. It's an economical substitute for Thai clay. And for making flowers, whatever you could see in my backdrop, all these flowers, everything, even those animals and birds, whatever you could see, everything has been made using Thai clay only. But you can replicate them in coal porcelain as well. You give me any clay, I can make flowers equally looking same looking flowers in any clay. So clay is not a restriction or a foundation for me and my students as well. Okay, people are explaining me how to make the ladybug. Thank you so much. Elephant in your background. I don't have elephant tutorial. Maybe in level 2 I can come up with. Give me ideas what all I should I add in the level 2. Level 1 I have these. Where are the ones? Yeah, the lion, the giraffe and the panda are three. These three animals are there in level 1 along with the base onto which they're sitting. So these three are there in the level 1. Tell me what all you want in level 2. I'll make the videos. Not immediately. It'll take some time, but yeah. Show your clip. Oh, this. God. Okay. Thank you, 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 thank you. I can't thank you, God, guys, enough. So I've taken all the questions. It was really, really nice watching you guys, being there with you. And thank you so much for watching the videos. Thank you for being a part of the 7-day marathon. And I will definitely be coming very soon again for another marathon. Very, 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 very soon. I just love interacting with you guys. Do participate in my contest, or else my old students, I will not give you any videos. So that's a dhamki for you all. You have to do the participation in the contest. Participate in the contest by the 30th of July and win amazing prizes. There will be 3 winners, first, second and third position, and the best of the work I will give 3 amazing goodie bags. So yeah, great. Then I really enjoyed today's class also. Yes, Sunita, the class is over. Okay, great. So yeah, so today's class is also over and the 7-day marathon ends here. It was lovely being with you all. I just enjoyed the entire time with you all. Spread the video, follow the 5 steps, participate in the contest. If you want to order anything, you can get in touch with me on WhatsApp with your name and place. And do post your pictures on the group and participate in the contest. I really would love to see you all and love to see how you have done your clay work, and start working with clay from now onwards. Guys, it was lovely meeting you all. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. This is Poonam signing off. Bye bye.